Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the band material, leather, silicone, metal, or fabric, because cleaning methods differ. Once done, remove the band from the watch and lay both pieces on a flat, protected surface. Inspect pins and connectors closely for rust or grit, and note any loose links. Use a small screwdriver or quick release to detach the strap. Make sure to keep screws and springs in a container so they don't roll away. This keeps the rest of the job precise and safe. Next, focus on cleaning and subtle fixes. For silicone, soak in warm water with mild soap, then scrub gently with a soft brush to remove oils, air dry fully. For leather, wipe with a barely damp cloth and apply a small amount of leather balm to restore flexibility. Avoid saturating the grain. For metal bands, brief warm water immersion helps, then use a toothpick or interdental brush between links to clear debris. Once done, dry components thoroughly and reassemble links or pins securely so the band fits safely. Finally, reattach the strap and verify fit and function. You align the spring bar or quick release, press it into the lug until it clicks, then test by gently tugging. Make small clasp or link adjustments so the watch sits snug but comfortable. If a link is stiff, apply a drop of watch oil and work it gently. If pins are loose or corroded, replace them immediately to prevent loss. If stubborn stains or odors remain, repeat cleaning or replace the band. Prevention beats emergency fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.